Now let's find the volume of a rectangular prism. The rectangular prism I have chosen is very similar to the size and shape of a cereal box. And you'll notice that the length is 7.5 inches, the width is 2.5 inches, and the height is 11 inches. And I'm color coding these parts so that when we look at the formulas, you will know which is length, which is width, and which is height. We also know that the formula for finding volume of a rectangular prism is volume is equal to big B times H, or capital B times H. And the capital B stands for the area of the base shape. I know the area of the base shape is a rectangle. That's pretty easy to figure out because of the name. But I have to decide which rectangle I want to use for my base. I can use the back of the box, the top of the box, either side, or the bottom, or even the front. But for this problem, I've chosen to use the bottom of the cereal box as my base. Because it's a rectangular prism, I have the choice to choose any face as the base. We know that to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we need to first find the area of that rectangle. I use the formula area is equal to length times width, and I color coded the length red, the width green, and I'm going to multiply those two numbers together on my calculator. So 7.5 times 2.5 equals 18.75, or 18 75/100. And I'm going to color code that in black so that you know it's the area of the base shape, just like the capital B over here. Now we also can rewrite the formula as volume is equal to length times width times height, because I know I've got to find length times width for the capital B and then multiply by the height. I now know that the area of the base is 18 75/100, and last all I have to do is multiply by 11. Again, the area of the base is this rectangle I've chosen. Its area is 18 75/100 inches, and we also call that capital B in our formula. So I'll just plug that in right there. Now all I have to do, I've already got 18 75/100 in the calculator. I just hit the times key, 11, enter, or equal. So the volume of my cereal box is 206 25/100 inches cubed. That's how much cereal would fit inside the box. That's the volume of this rectangular prism.